I used to walk past my lawn every morning and feel a quiet disappointment. It was green enough from a distance, but up close, there were patches, weeds, and that tired look no amount of watering seemed to fix. I tried everything. Fertilizer, weed killer, those expensive grass seed mixes. Nothing worked. And then I stumbled on a simple method that changed everything. No fancy equipment, no expensive treatments, just a few things that turned my tired lawn into the greenest one on the street. Welcome to Thoughtful Explains, where we dig into the research so you do not have to. If you have ever looked at your lawn and wished it could be thicker and greener without spending a fortune, this one is for you. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to fix your soil, feed your grass, and get that deep green color that makes the neighbors stop and stare. Let us start with the first step that sets everything up for success. Step 1. Fix the soil so water can actually soak in. Have you ever watered your lawn and watched the water just sit on top or run off instead of soaking in? That is a sign of hydrophobic soil. Soil that has become so dry and compacted that it actually repels water instead of absorbing it. The problem is more common than you think, especially during summer when the ground bakes under the sun. When water cannot penetrate, the grass roots stay shallow and weak, and the lawn turns brown no matter how much you water. The solution is simpler than you might expect: baby shampoo. I know it sounds strange, but baby shampoo works as a wetting agent. It breaks the surface tension of the water, allowing it to soak into dry, compacted soil instead of running off. The key is to use a mild, non-toxic baby shampoo without harsh chemicals. Any unscented baby shampoo works well for this purpose. To apply, mix about 2 to 3 ounces of baby shampoo in a hose end sprayer, filling the remainder with water. This amount covers roughly 1,000 square feet of lawn. Apply it lightly over the surface, ideally before rain or before you water so it can penetrate deeper. Do this once a month during the growing season, and you will notice a real difference in how well your soil holds moisture. If you have ever struggled to get water into your lawn, this one simple trick changes everything. I remember the first time I tried this, I was skeptical. It felt almost too simple to actually work. But after one application, the water started soaking in instead of pooling on top. The grass perked up within days, and I have not looked back since. It is one of those things that sounds ridiculous until you see it with your own eyes. You do not need to buy expensive wetting agents from the garden center. Baby shampoo costs a fraction of the price and works just as well. I keep a bottle in my shed and mix a fresh batch each month. It is quick, it is cheap, and it solves a problem that has frustrated gardeners for years. Step 2. Feed the grass what it needs to go dark green. Water alone is not enough. If you want that deep, rich green color that makes the neighbors stop and stare, you need to feed the grass properly. There is a product called Neighbor's Envy, a liquid lawn fertilizer specifically formulated to darken grass and protect it during summer drought. It delivers nutrients that promote vibrant growth and deep root development. To apply Neighbor's Envy, use a hose end sprayer and follow the label instructions carefully. The liquid formula is designed to be absorbed quickly through the leaves, so you will start seeing results within days. Apply it on a calm day when rain is not expected for at least 24 hours. Water it in lightly about 4 hours after application if there is no rain, as directed on the label. And if you want even more dramatic results, wait about 4 to 6 weeks and apply again. The difference is genuinely noticeable, and the grass responds with a healthier, more vibrant shade of green that lasts through the hottest weeks of summer. You do not need to buy expensive granular fertilizers that sit on the surface and slowly release over weeks. Liquid fertilizers are absorbed immediately, so the grass gets what it needs right away. This is especially important during summer, when the grass is under heat stress and cannot wait for slow-release products to break down. I have tried both, and can tell you that liquid feeding gives faster, more visible results every single time. Just make sure to water the lawn lightly after application, so the product reaches the root zone. Do not overwater though. Too much water washes the nutrients away before they can be absorbed. The first time I used a liquid fertilizer, I was surprised by how quickly the grass responded. Within 3 days, the color had deepened noticeably. Within a week, my lawn looked like it belonged in a magazine. It is the kind of result that makes you wonder why you ever bothered with anything else. And the best part is that it is so simple to apply that you can do it in under an hour. Step 3. Add liquid iron for that deep green boost. If you want the deepest green you have ever seen, liquid iron is the missing piece. Liquid iron gives a fast cosmetic greening by supplying iron in a form the grass can use immediately. It corrects iron chlorosis, that yellowing between leaf veins while the veins stay greener. One reader reported that their grass turned a beautiful dark green in just a few days. I have used it myself and the results are remarkable. The recommended rate for lawns is about 8 ounces per 1,000 square feet, mixed with enough water to cover the area evenly. You can apply it with a hose end sprayer, making sure the foliage is thoroughly wetted. Chelated liquid iron is the best option because it stays stable across a wider range of soil pH levels. The best time to apply is in spring, when the grass is actively growing, and you can follow up in early fall if needed. Apply it in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid heat stress. Avoid applying during drought or extreme heat, as the grass may burn. Now here is the one thing nobody tells you. Liquid iron stains everything it touches. Sidewalks, driveways, patios, brick, and even stucco can be permanently stained if you are not careful. To avoid this, use a sprayer with a coarse nozzle and keep the spray low to the ground, away from hard surfaces. If you do accidentally get some on concrete, rinse it immediately with plenty of water, and always check the wind direction before you start spraying. I learned this one the hard way, so you do not have to. I made the mistake of spraying on a windy day once, and the overspray left dark spots on my walkway that took weeks to fade. It was a humbling lesson. Now I keep a hose nearby and rinse any stray droplets the moment I see them. The extra caution is worth it, because the results are absolutely stunning. Once you see that deep, rich green, you will understand why it is worth the effort. And honestly, once you get the hang of it, the whole process takes less than 20 minutes, and the payoff lasts for weeks. There you have it. A greener lawn is not about spending more money. It is about understanding what the grass actually needs, and giving it exactly that. The soil, the feed, the iron, it is all simpler than I ever imagined. Just stick to the rhythm. Baby shampoo once a month. Fertilizer and iron every 4 to 6 weeks, a few days apart. That consistency is what turns a good lawn into a great one. And the best part is that once you know this, you never have to go back to guessing. You just follow the system and watch it work. Now I would love to hear from you. Have you tried baby shampoo or liquid iron on your lawn? Drop a comment below and let me know what worked for you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Thoughtful Explains for more research-backed, practical wisdom. Until next time, take care of the soil, and it will take care of you.